we say radical expression or radical is an expression containing a symbol that is called radical sign. So, if let's say we have this expression, nth root of a raised to m, yung n po na maliit na nasa unahan na medyo nakataas yung pwesto ng pagkakasulat, ang tawag po dyan ay index. Yan yung nagsasabi kung anong roots ang kukunin nyo, kung square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, and so on. Yung nasa loob naman po ng radical sign is what we call the radicand. So in here, ang radicand po ay a raised to m. Kasama po yung exponent na m kasi nasa loob sila lahat ng radical sign. Yung m po dyan ay exponent. Okay? So if we have this radical sign, ayan, makikita nyo po sa screen, wala pong nakalagay na index. Understood ng index ay 2. Dito po sa unahan, yung dapat na yun nandito sa taas, bandang taas, sa unahan, wala po nakalagay na 2, understood na 2. Ang basa po dyan ay square root. Next is, the index is 3. So, to read this, it is cube root. And then, let's say the index is 4. It is fourth root of kung may laman po sa loob ng radical sign. Okay? So, that's it for the recall of the radicals, yung parts niya. Okay, let's have the writing radicals to expressions with rational exponent. Ayan. So, if we have nth root of a raised to m, that is equal to a raised to m over n. So, tatandaan nyo po, yung index, ito po yung nagiging denominator ng rational exponent or fractional exponent. Ito pong exponent na nasa loob ng radical sign, kasama ng radicand. Ito naman po yung numerator ng fractional exponent. So, ito pong a, ito yung magsisilbing base. So, kapag translate into exponential form, a raised to m over n. Yung numerator, yung exponent na m, diretso ilagay nyo yung over n na index. Okay, so that's it for writing radicals to expressions with rational exponent. Okay, so let's have the following examples. Number 1, fourth root of a raised to 3 or cube. So, to transform this in rational exponent, copy nyo yung a, then raised to 3 over 4. Lagi yung index naka-over sa denominator ilalagay. So, a raised to 3/4. Next, number 2, square root of 2. So, understood here, class, na pag square root, ang index ay 2. At kung wala po kayong makikitang exponent, understood na ang exponent ay 1. Okay, so therefore, pag transform natin in rational exponent, copy yung 2 raised to 1/2 or 1 over 2. Okay, next. Number 3, cube root of 9a squared. So, in here, pag madami na pong radicand, hindi lang po one term or hindi lang isang variable, yung number na 9, i-transform nyo in exponential form. So, paano ang mangyayari? Yung 9, we all know, it could be written in 3 squared in exponential form. 3 squared and a squared. So, tingnan mabuti yung exponent. Dahil magkatulad yung exponent, ilalabas nyo ngayon, ilalagay sa labas ng parenthesis. So, the quantity of 3a raised to the second power nasa labas na po ng parenthesis. So, cube root. Cube root of the quantity 3a raised to the second power equals, so yung nasa loob ng parenthesis na 3a, yun na po yung magiging base. So, the quantity of 3a raised to 2 over 3 na index. Okay? So, that's it for example 3. So, what if naman po class yung number ay hindi na pwedeng gawing exponential form? Let's say, for example, we have here 5th root of, let's say, 6b raised to the 3rd power equals, dahil yung 6, hindi na po siya ma-write in exponential form, edi yung exponent niya ay 1. So, ang exponent ngayon ay hindi magkatulad, 1 and 3. Kunin nyo na lang po ang GCF. Since yung isa ay exponent ay 1, tsaka 3 yung isa, therefore, ang GCF nila ay 1. So, understood, kapag ganito, 5th root of the quantity 6b cubed raised to 1. Kaya kapag transform nyo po, okay, wait lang. Burahin ko lang. Ayan. Kaya, kapag transform nyo po in rational exponent, your answer will be the quantity of 6b cubed raised to 1/5. Okay, additional example for this number 3. Okay? So, yun. Hindi po magkatulad yung exponent. Tapos, ang GCF po na kukunin nyo na lang po ang GCF ng exponent. Ano po ang GCF? Greatest common factor. 1 and 3. So, 1 yung GCF nila. Dahil 1 lang naman yung GCF, ganun pa rin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, 6b cubed. Walang pagbabago. Okay? So, that's it. Next. Number 4. 4th root of 125 over x to the 6th power. So, yung number na 125, pwedeng gawin nating exponential form. So, yung 125 in exponential form is 5 cubed. Because 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125. All over x to the 6th power. Okay, look at the exponents. Magkaiba yung exponent. So, 3 at saka 6. Dahil magkaiba, ang i-factor out nyo na lang po, ang ilalabas nyo na lang sa parenthesis ay yung kanilang GCF or greatest common factor. So, yung 3 at 6, ang greatest common factor nila ay 3. So, nilabas na yung 3. So, matitira sa loob ay 5 over x squared. Bakit? Kasi yung exponent ng 5 na 3, inilabas na. So, 3 divided by 3 ay 5. Ay 1 rather. So, 5 raised to 1. Yung sa x naman na exponent ay 6. I-divide nyo by the GCF 3. So, ang matitira na lang 6 divided by 3 is 2. Kaya x squared. So, therefore, kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, yun yung magiging base. The quantity of 5 over x squared raised to 3/4. 3/4. Kasi exponent ay 3, dito sa loob ng radical sign, i-over sa index na 4. Kaya, the quantity of 5 over x squared raised to 3/4. Okay, next, number 5, 4 over 7th root of 4b to the 4th power. So, in here, class, yung 4 na nasa numerator ay hindi po wala sa loob ng radical sign, so hindi siya kasama sa i-raise natin in rational exponent. Ito lang pong nasa baba. So, 4 over 7th root of 2 squared b to the 4th power. So, anong ginawa natin dito sa 4? Ginawa po nating exponential form na 2 squared. So, ang exponent ngayon ay 2 at saka 4. Ang GCF ng 2 and 4 ay 2. So, para makuha yung exponent na matitira sa loob ng parenthesis, i-divide nyo lang po. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. Kaya 2 raised to 1. Invisible na po yung 1 na exponent. B to the 4th power, yung 4, divide nyo by 2. So, it became 2b squared na po. So, the final answer will be 4 over, kopyahin nyo po itong base, the quantity of 2b squared raised to 2 over 7. Okay, so that's it for writing radicals to expressions with rational exponents.